In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block and unblock websites on school Chromebook. Whether you manage devices for a school or you are a student trying to understand why something won't load, I will walk you through what's possible and how to do it the right way. On school-issued Chromebooks, website access is governed centrally through the Google Workspace Admin Console. That means true blocking and unblocking generally requires administrative access. If you are an administrator, start by signing in to the admin console. From there, head to Devices, choose Chrome, and open Settings. Within User and Browser Settings, look for the URL blocking section. This is where you can paste the exact links you want to restrict into the URL blacklist. The change applies to the organizational units you target, so it's smart to scope policies carefully. Test with a small group, and allow time for devices to sync. If your goal is a tightly controlled learning environment, you can also use the URL whitelist to permit only specific educational sites, effectively blocking everything else by default. Whitelisting is powerful, so keep a clear list. Document exceptions and communicate changes so teachers and students aren't surprised. Also, policies can be scoped to organizational units or groups, and pattern choices like blocking an entire domain versus a specific path matter. If updates seem delayed, a browser restart or a quick sign out and sign in can help devices pick up the latest rules. For students, it's important to know that most Chromebook restrictions are intentional and managed for safety and compliance. And you shouldn't try to bypass them. Sometimes, though, a site appears blocked simply because Chrome is stopping mixed or insecure content rather than the school network. You can check what Chrome is doing within your own profile. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, and go to Settings. Choose Privacy and Security. Then Site Settings and open Additional Content Settings. Here you can review whether redirects or insecure content are being limited on specific sites you visit. On managed devices, these options are often locked and will show that they're controlled by your organization. If that's the case, or if you are unsure, the right move is to request access through your school's technology team so they can unblock the site centrally if it meets policy. That's the overview. Thanks for watching.